morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today I'm going to show you how to make some mock apple pie filling out of green tomatoes. Let's get these tomatoes washed. I am going to cut these in half and measure out 4 quarts of these cherry tomatoes. Now let's add them to this stock pot. We are also going to need 1 pound of raisins, and I don't want to use the whole raisin, so I'm going to chop them up in this food processor quick. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of brown sugar, one and a half cups of coconut sugar, one and a quarter cups of sure gel, and 7 cups of raw apple juice. One cup of lemon juice, one half cup of apple cider vinegar, one quarter cup of orange peel, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom. And 1 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. Stir this over a medium heat and you will notice that it will start to thicken. When it gets to the consistency of a thick pie filling, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now remove it from the heat. Now drain off the liquid of those tomatoes that have been sitting waiting for us. And place them on the stove over a medium heat. Now pour the sauce over the tomatoes and stir to combine them. Add the raisins now. Bring the mixture up to a boil. Now it's time to scoop the mixture into your jars. Clean the rims. And place the lids on. You can use this pie filling the same way you would use apple pie filling. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, may God bless you.